Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to dye my hair with green crepe paper, so keep watching. First, get crepe paper, cut it out, put some salt and water, stir, then let it sit for 10 minutes or so. Prep your hair to get dyed up. Don't forget to wear gloves and your least favorite t-shirt because this gonna get real mess. I use aluminum foil because this kinda like a color booster, something like that. Then repeat the process on the other side of your hair. Let it sit for 20 minutes or more. The longer, the better result. I didn't wash my hair. I just squeezed the water out using my old t-shirt. Put some hair oil and just gonna blow dry my hair real quick, but you can always air dry your hair. Do as you wish. Please do follow me on my social media. It's on the bottom left corner of the screen. And just like that, you'll have your DIY ombre. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one and bye for now.